Will LIC Nivesh Plus help you in wealth creation in the long run? Market-linked products typically invest in a diversified portfolio of assets which may include equities, fixed income or other investments. The growth potential depends on the performance of these underlying assets. In this video, let us do a detailed analysis and review the specific features, advantages and disadvantages along with the potential return of the plan. With this research analysis, you can make an informed decision regarding wealth creation. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Nivesh Plus policy is a unit-linked, non-participating single premium individual life insurance plan. First, let us look at the main features. There are two variants available under the plan. Option 1, 1.25 times the single premium. Option 2, 10 times the single premium. 4 fund options are available. Guaranteed additions offered after a specific duration enhance the fund value. Next, we shall look at the benefits of LIC Nivesh Plus. First, death benefit. On death of the life assured, death benefit will be higher of the following: basic sum assured, less partial withdrawals or unit fund value. Next, maturity benefit. If the policyholder survives till the date of maturity, an amount equal to unit fund value shall be payable. Next, we shall look at the fund options under LIC Nivesh Plus. The allocated premiums will be utilized to buy units from the chosen fund by the policyholder out of the 4 fund options available. The 4 fund options are bond fund, secured fund, balanced fund and growth fund. The table here depicts the various types of fund options and their investment patterns. Next, we shall look at the charges under LIC Nivesh Plus plan. Premium allocation charge. The percentage of allocated premium is being charged as premium allocation charge. For offline sale, 3.3%. For online sale, 1.5%. Mortality charge. The rate of mortality charge depends on the age of the life assured. Accident benefit charge. If the benefit rider has been opted, then the accident benefit charge will be the cost of accident benefit cover. Fund management charge. 1.35% per annum of unit fund will be charged for all the 4 funds available. For discontinued policy fund, 0.5%. Switching charge. Only 4 free switches are available within a policy year. Any subsequent switches within that year shall be subject to a switching charge of rupees 100 per switch. Partial withdrawal charge. A flat amount of rupees 100 shall be deducted. Discontinuance charge. It depends on the year of discontinuance and the premium amount. Miscellaneous charge. A flat amount of rupees 100 will be deducted for any alteration. Inference from these charges. The above charges are part and parcel of LIC Nivesh Plus plan. In general, other market related products do not levy these type of charges under different heads. There will be only the expense ratio and their investment process is very transparent. So the charges for switching, partial withdrawal and discontinuance are a burden to an investor. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Nivesh Plus plan. First, advantages. Guaranteed additions as a percentage of single premium shall be added to the unit fund on completion of specific duration of policy years. Accidental death benefit rider is available. You can partially withdraw the units at any time after the 5th policy anniversary. 4 free switches are available within a policy year. Using the settlement option, you can receive the death benefit in installments. Next, disadvantages. No top-up shall be allowed under this plan. The lock-in period is 5 years. No loan shall be allowed under this plan. Next, it is crucial to carefully assess the product's performance before investing. Market-linked products provide exposure to the financial market, but their potential returns might vary. Let us now calculate the potential return of LIC Nivesh Plus. Following is the benefit illustration taken from the sales brochure of LIC Nivesh Plus. Mr. A, who is 30-year-old, purchases LIC Nivesh Plus for rupees 1 lakh for a policy term of 20 years. He chooses plan option 2, that is 10 times the single premium. At the end of 20 years, he receives the fund value. It is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the policy term will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum. The projected investment rate of return is not guaranteed and there are no upper or lower limits on what you might get back as the value of your policy, as it depends on various factors including future investment performance. The fund value assumed at a gross return of 4% is 1.08 lakhs. The fund value assumed at a gross return of 8% return is 2.67 lakhs. Under a gross return of 4%, the net return shall be 0.80%. Under the gross return of 8%, the net return shall be 5.32%. Even if you invest your lump sum in a bank fixed deposit at an average interest rate of 6%, the amount doubles in 12 years with the rule of 72. The return from LIC Nivesh Plus is lower than any other debt instrument return. The risk and return are not proportionate. For wealth creation in the long run, you need a better risk-adjusted return. So, investing in LIC Nivesh Plus will not generate substantial returns in the long run. Investing in ULIPs offer an opportunity to invest in the market. At the same time, you get tax benefits for the amount invested. Now let us look for alternate investments where you get an opportunity to invest in the market as well as tax advantage. Apart from that, we need to look for life cover. Equity linked savings scheme. ELSS is a mutual fund scheme that is a market linked product offering tax benefits. For life cover, let us take a pure term life insurance policy. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs would cost rupees 44,500 single premium. The policy term is 20 years. Out of rupees 1 lakh, the balance 55,500 is invested in ELSS fund. At the end of 20 years, while exiting the ELSS fund, capital gains tax arises. Let us set aside the tax payable from the maturity proceeds. The tax calculation is given here. The post-tax fund value is 4.91 lakhs. The IRR for this cash flow is 8.74%. In this alternate arrangement, you get life cover, participation in the market and tax benefits. Also, the return from this alternate investment is more than inflation rate. That means that with the accumulated fund value, you can easily meet the inflated cost of your goals. Under LIC Nivesh Plus plan, you may fall short of your goals. Please make a note of one more important point. In the budget 2021, the government announced that proceeds from ULIP shall be taxable if the annual premium exceeds rupees 2.5 lakh in any year of the term of the policy. Here is our final verdict on LIC Nivesh Plus plan. Certainly, investing in market-linked products helps you in the wealth creation process when compared to fixed instruments. LIC Nivesh Plus has 4 different fund options catering to your risk appetite. It also offers the flexibility to invest either in equity or debt funds depending upon your risk appetite. Investors who are ready to take risk should analyze the alpha generated by the product. Better risk-adjusted return is essential for wealth creation in the long run, which is missing in LIC Nivesh Plus. The major reason for poor returns is mainly due to the charges under this plan. Charges under the plan include charges for switching, withdrawal and surrender. You may not find these charges in any other market-linked product. These charges along with high agent commission pull down your overall return of the policy. It is essential for you to align your investment choice with your risk tolerance, investment goals and time horizon so that you can make informed decision regarding wealth creation. Consulting a financial advisor will be beneficial for you in choosing the right market-linked product for your needs. A detailed review of LIC Nivesh Plus is available as a blog post on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.